EXD flame-proof equipment will use IEC markings. EX will indicate the product is explosion protected. Following the EX will be the type of protection. If the product incorporates more than one type of protection, all types will be marked. In this example, the product marking indicates the type of protection D for flame-proof and the type of protection E for increased safety. The level of protection may be indicated next to the type of protection on newer products. Similar to the EPL level of protection concepts, a level of protection B indicates that the product incorporates a high level of protection. Older products will not incorporate this information. The highest gas group the product is suitable for will be indicated. A product marked 2C will be suitable for all gas groups. A temperature code will always be indicated on the product. An EPL marking will be indicated on newer generation products.